Hello, and welcome to Daily English Zone, the place where you learn to understand, speak, and feel truly confident, using English step by step, day by day. My name is Zoe, and I'm genuinely excited that you're here with me today. Because you are doing something brave. You are showing up. You are choosing to grow. I want you to know I'm proud of you. Today, I'll be speaking slowly and clearly so you can follow along without stress. You can listen, pause, and repeat anytime you need. Before we start, if you feel excited to improve, please subscribe to Daily English Zone so you never miss a lesson. Together, we will build your English confidence one small step at a time. This episode is all about how to create daily habits that feel simple, positive, and powerful. Even if you are busy, even if you feel shy, even if you sometimes doubt yourself. You don't have to move to London. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on courses. You don't have to be perfect. You only need small, kind actions you can repeat every day. So English becomes something warm and familiar, not something scary. Why small habits are so powerful. Many learners believe they must study for 3 hours every day to make progress. But here's a secret: small habits, practiced with love and consistency, create more real change than big efforts you can't sustain. Why? Because repetition builds connection. When you listen, speak, think, read, and write a little every day, your brain stops resisting. Your heart stops feeling nervous. You begin to trust yourself, and English stops being a foreign language. It starts becoming your language. I want you to remember this sentence. Small habits every day are better than big efforts once in a while. Let's say it together. Small habits every day are better than big efforts once in a while. Beautiful. And if this feels helpful so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It will help more learners find support and hope. Let's dive in together. Tip 1. Listen every day. The first and most important habit is listening. Listening is the doorway to every other skill. When you listen, you fill your mind with the music of English. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. If you want to understand fast speech, you must listen more. If you want to think naturally in English, you must listen more. But here's the beautiful part: listening doesn't have to feel like homework. You can listen when you walk to the bus. You can listen while you wash the dishes. You can listen while you relax on the couch. Even if you understand only 30% or 50%, it's okay. Your brain is still learning. It's learning the shape of sentences, the flow of thoughts, the melody of real conversation. This is called passive listening, and it's a gentle, powerful way to grow your confidence. Let's repeat this affirmation together. I listen to English every day. I listen to English every day. Even 10 minutes is a gift to myself. Even 10 minutes is a gift to myself. Lovely. Tip 2. Speak out loud. Maybe you feel nervous about speaking. Maybe your heart beats fast when you think about saying something out loud. That's normal. You're not alone. Every learner feels that way in the beginning. But here's the truth. You can practice speaking safely, kindly, and privately. You don't need anyone else to begin. Here are 2 ways to speak out loud without fear. 1. Shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence and repeat it right away, like an echo. Listen to me now. I am learning English. You repeat, I am learning English. I want to speak confidently. You repeat, I want to speak confidently. When you shadow, you're not just practicing pronunciation. You're building courage. You're telling your brain, I am capable. Do this for 2-3 minutes every day. 2. Reading aloud. Find something short and friendly, a story, a dialogue, a blog post, and read it out loud. Read it slowly, then again a little faster, then again with more feeling, like an actor. When you read aloud, you teach your mouth and your mind to dance together. It's like going to the gym bit for your voice. If you're enjoying this, subscribe now so we can keep practicing together. I'm here to cheer you on every step of the way. Tip 3. Think in English. One of the most transformative habits is to think in English. I know it feels strange at first. Your brain wants to translate everything. You want to feel safe in your own language. But thinking in English is the path to freedom. Start with small, gentle thoughts. It's morning. I feel sleepy. I need coffee. During the day, try to notice what you see. The bus is late. The sky is beautiful. I feel grateful. Later, whisper these thoughts out loud if you can. No pressure, just curiosity and kindness. Every small sentence you think is a step closer to fluency. Let's repeat this affirmation. I think in English, 1 sentence at a time. I think in English, 1 sentence at a time. Wonderful. Tip 4. Keep a short daily journal. Writing is a quiet, powerful way to see your growth. You don't need long essays or perfect grammar. Just 3 little sentences about your day. Today I worked hard. I had lunch with my friend. I watched a video in English. When you do this, you build trust in yourself. You see your progress. You create a small, daily ritual of care. Repeat after me. I write a short journal in English every day. I write a short journal in English every day. Tip 5. Record yourself speaking. This is one of my favorite habits. Take your phone. Open the voice recorder. Talk for 1 minute about your day or your dreams. Today was busy. I went to the market. I studied English for 10 minutes. When you listen back, you'll hear your courage. You'll hear your growth. You'll start to hear your own English voice, strong and clear. And if you find this helpful, please like this video and share it with a friend who is learning English too. You can be part of someone else's journey just by sharing. Tip 6. Join an English community. Learning together is always better. Even if you don't know any English speakers in your town, you can connect online. Join a WhatsApp group or a Telegram channel. Find a Facebook group or a learning partner on Tandem. Ask questions. Send a voice message. Encourage someone else. When you connect, English becomes alive. It becomes a way to belong. Repeat with me. I connect with other learners to practice English. I connect with other learners to practice English. Beautiful. Tip 7. Make English part of your life. Fluency grows when you surround yourself with English. Change your phone to English. Label things around your house. Write your to-do lists in English. Watch short videos daily. The more you see and hear English, the more natural it feels. It stops being a foreign language. It becomes a familiar friend. Final thoughts. Start small. Stay kind. Remember you are doing something brave. You don't need to be perfect. You don't have to do everything at once. You just have to start. One small step today, another tomorrow. Little by little, your confidence will grow. Your understanding will deepen. Your voice will feel stronger. Before we finish, please subscribe to Daily English Zone so you can keep growing with us. Turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Let's repeat together one last time. I can learn English. I can speak confidently. I am improving every day. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps more learners feel hope and inspiration. Remember, English is not just a language you study, it's a language you live. I'm proud of you. Keep going. See you next time.